Hey YouTuber, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ali Virtue, and yes, this is Grow with this channel, where I get to share from my experience on how I get to navigate around YouTube. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the newest and latest updates on YouTube, right? So recently, YouTube just announced some new features and some new updates that are going to be coming on the platform. It is quite interesting because this is going to be very helpful for both big creators, small creators, people who are just viewers, for everybody that uses YouTube, right? They did this new update, or they did this new update to launch and celebrate 20 years anniversary. Now, I'm going to be taking my time to, at least to the best of my knowledge, break down and explain these features and how we can benefit from it. If you are here on YouTube, if you're already monetized, yeah, this simply means you'll be making more money. And if you're a content creator that is seeking to get monetized, this is also very exciting for you because every one of these features is going to help you to, fasten your monetization process if you learn how to use these features properly. You need to also understand that these features is going to be available to some countries first, and then it's later going to be available for other countries as time goes on. Now, let's just get right into the video. So, to the best of my knowledge, YouTube announced lots of features that are going to be brought to us, are going to be updated and available to us very soon. But in today's video, I'm talking about five major updates, right? I'll be breaking them down because inside these five, there are other features that are also going to be made available to us as the time continues, as we go on, right? So I'm going to be ensuring that I break them down and ensure that I say it in a way that we can all understand based on how I also understand it. Now, the very first one happens to be new shorts creation tools. We also have new live updates. We also have YouTube studio updates. We also have supercharging. That one happens to be for music. And then the last one is new ways to earn on YouTube. Now, these five features, these five updates, I'm going to be breaking them down one by one and explaining to us further how we'll be able to benefit from it and how we'll be able to use it. Now, beginning with the very first one, new shorts creation tools, right? We already know that creating shorts is interesting, and we know that we can use different apps like CapCut, InShot. We can use different apps to create shorts from content. We can also create we can also create shorts on our YouTube studio. So the very first one says, dream it, prompt it, create it. Now with sound. We have partnered with Google DeepMind to bring a custom version of their most powerful video creation model, the BO3, to YouTube. BO3 Fast is designed to work seamlessly in YouTube Shorts for millions of creators and users for free. Now, those videos that you usually go to some other sites and websites to create, those animated AI generated content. Now, YouTube is now saying that we'll be able to create it from our YouTube app. Is that not interesting? You don't need to go to any site anymore to go and create all those animated videos. You can now do those kind of videos as short form content from your YouTube app. This is rolling out in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, with plans to expand to more of you soon. You see where I said that some countries will begin to enjoy these features first before some other countries. With these features, we'll also be able to add motion, style our video, and add objects to our video, just like this one showing up here. See the way it is, right? You'll be able to add motion. You can just pick a picture from your phone, and then with the picture, you'll be able to add motion to that picture, like it begins to move, like what you're seeing on your screen. Now you will not be so stressed anymore editing your videos, editing your short form content. You won't be so stressed anymore. You can just use your picture and be able to bring your picture to life. Now, another thing again they also mentioned is introducing edit with AI, a new feature that takes the initial heavy lifting off your shoulder. It transforms your raw footage into a compelling first draft, intelligently finding and arranging your best moments, adding music, transition, and even a playful voiceover that can react to what's happening in the video. Now, with this particular edit with AI, right, on shorts, you can just get a video, a raw footage of yourself or of anything at all, just like the one shown on your screen. You can get a raw footage, and then you'll be able to, just click on it, and the edit with AI tool will be able to, transform that video, just picking out the best moments of that video, picking out the best highlights of that video, and making it into a good shot for you, adding sounds, adding transition to it, and adding every necessary thing that's needed to make that video a good quality video. Now, the next one again for the new short creation tools is turning everyday videos into catchy soundtracks. Let me play this video so you can understand this better.
Isn't it almost cuffing season? I know you're looking for that new date spot.
Isn't it almost cuffing season? Isn't it almost cuffing season? Isn't it almost cuffing season?
The next feature that we should be looking out for as creators that I believe is going to be really exciting for us is the YouTube Studio update. Now, we are always, I don't know, like someone like myself, I always get carried away with my YouTube Studio sometimes. I'm looking at analytics, trying to understand it better, trying to know what is working, what is not working, what video is doing well, trying to, basically understand the studio. Now, YouTube is informing me and informing you that with the new features that are going to be rolling out, you'll be able to, understand the YouTube Studio better. We're going to be having Ask Studio feature. Now, the Ask Studio, it says here, this conversational chat tool provides quick insights and ideas to help you understand your analytics, your community, and get new inspiration. Try asking, catch me up on how my last video is performing, or tell me what my community is saying about my editing style. Now, this feature is going to be able to, tell you what's your how your video is performing, which one is doing well, and how it's affecting your channel, and also be able to tell you what your community thinks about your video and all of that. Now, we're also going to have in the inspiration tab. I think we already have inspiration tab, but they are also saying they're going to be making this feature better. I already understand that for your video to do well on YouTube, your audience has a major role to play. So with these new features, you'll be able to understand what your audience wants. You'll be able to understand what the audience wants and how you can serve them better. Now, also going to be having the title A and B testing. We already know that we have thumbnail testing. Just in case you don't know, we have thumbnail testing where you can post three different thumbnails, and after a period of time, YouTube will be able to pick out the particular one that is doing better or that has the potential of doing better. So now they're also going to be introducing title testing. Now, with this particular feature, you'll be able to test different titles, right? You'll be able to test the title that will do better for a particular video and be able to pick that one out. The next one is collaborations. YouTube is allowing for collaboration. That it is important that you know that you should actually plan to collaborate with people in your niche. Now, they're saying that they're going to make it possible for you to be able to collaborate with five people on one video, right? You can have different persons come on the particular video and collaborate with them on that video. The importance of this is the fact that if they have this your video show on their channels, you have more potential, or you have the tendency or the chance of more persons getting to see that video and connecting with you and connecting with every other person on that video. We should work on collaboration. If you are interested in collaborating with me, I don't mind. I am open. I actually want to create and collaborate with other like minds and creators like myself. The next one that we have here is auto dubbing with lip sync. When you put on a video and you turn on your auto dub, people who watch in another language or who are in other countries who don't really hear English, when that feature is turned on, they get to hear it in their own language. Now, with this new lip sync feature, it's saying that as you are speaking, right? Let me speak my language. Let me say I'm saying come and eat, right, in English. And somebody watching in that country that speaks my language, maybe Ibira, for instance, person is hearing it as come and varisa, right? Now that varisa is going to be lip syncing with my mouth. Like it's going to seem like I am saying varisa in my language when that person watches the video. And with that being said, the last one for this particular update is the likeness detection feature. Now, this one now is basically for people who get to use AI to create realistic videos, right? Where it seems like you are actually the one in the video. How do I mean? If you come on social media, you see some motivational videos where you see a well-known celebrity talking, but the truth is that that celebrity is not in that video. That is the reality of things. YouTube is saying that they're going to be putting up a technology where you can detect this thing and get to stop it. Right? Any unauthorized video that has your face, your voice, your features in it that you did not give permission to, you can easily stop it. The third one I'm talking about is new live updates. YouTube is now saying that they know that a lot of persons want to go live, they want to do a live stream, but you don't know how to do it. Either you're shy, you don't know what to do, and all of that. Now, they are going to make it easy for creators who want to live stream. The first thing they're going to be doing here is to help you get started. How? They are going to be able to build an option to practice before you go live. Now, YouTube is saying that they want to give us a future where we can first practice. You go ahead and do all the setup, practice before you finally get to go live. The next one I'm talking about is prioritizing discoverability. They are now saying that first, we are adding a way to reach viewers on every screen by streaming across platforms. Soon, creators will be able to broadcast in both horizontal and vertical formats simultaneously with a single unified chat room to bring the entire community together in one seamless experience. For now, we know the best way for us to go live is that our phones have to be kept on portrait for the live stream to be able to reach a wide range of audience, because YouTube will get to show them as short form content to viewers. Now they are saying that they're going to be introducing a new feature where we can actually go live on both landscape and portrait at the same time. Right at the same time, and we'll still have one chat room where people who are watching from their laptop or watching on landscape or any way can still get to join the live stream as it is going on. Finally, the engagement does not have to stop when you go offline. AI powered highlights turn live content into lasting content. It finds the most compelling moments from the live stream and automatically creates ready to share shots. And then the last one for this one is building new monetization tools. They say here a core part of supporting creators is helping them earn a living from their work. And we know that creators are often hesitant to run ads that interrupt key moments on their streams. The new side by side ads are a less intrusive format for viewers, while helping creators get paid without pulling their audience away. We know how it is now. You're watching something and then an ad shows up. We know how hard that can be annoying. Now they are saying that they're bringing up a way or a future where ads can be showing, the live stream is still going on, audience is viewing it. Now the audience are going to see the live stream, they're going to be seeing the ads at the same time, and nobody's losing out. The creator still gets paid for the ads that is being shown on the channel while they're live streaming, and viewers still gets, they're not interrupting anything. And the last one is new ways to earn on YouTube. Every creator wants to earn on YouTube, whether you're monetized or you're not monetized, right? We all want to earn on YouTube. That's the truth. And this particular one is quite exciting because even small creators can benefit from it. Now, you need to be saying that for the first one, we have reimagining sponsorships in long form video. We are going to be able to get better pay from brand sponsorships. Now, the next one here is unlocking new opportunities in shorts. Now, for short creators, they will soon be able to add a link to the brand site specifically for brand deals. Now, they are now saying that for your short form content, you can now go ahead and attach a link, right, for the particular item you're selling. Let's say you're doing a particular advert for a particular brand, you'll be able to drop the link of that item or that brand or that company to the shorts. You'll be able to drop it on the shorts, and anybody who wants to buy while you are still talking, while you're still advertising that product, they will be able to buy that item, or while the ad is still showing, they'll be able to buy that item from the link that you get to drop. Now, the next one is also talking about forging deeper connections between creators and brands. Brands are looking to partner with YouTube creators more than ever, delivering the authenticity, fandom, and trust they crave. We want to continue to facilitate seamless connections between creators and brands, no matter where they are in the journey. So it's not going to be a problem anymore looking for brand sponsors or brand deals. You can actually go to the Google Hub, or yeah, the Google the partnership hub and be able to look for a brand deal. And they can also come there. People who want to, put out their ads, they can also come to that hub and be able to get anybody and be able to, do their sponsorship. So it's going to be like a hub where creators meet partners and partners meet creators. This is really exciting because it makes it a whole lot easier for people who want to, for people who are monetized and even people who want to monetize as content creators, you can get brand deals using this pattern, using this new feature. Definitely, when it comes in, I would advise that you hop on anyone, go ahead and use it. Just go ahead and be flexible. Don't be too rigid. Don't be afraid to try new things. It is all for us to be able to grow. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. I'm really hoping that you were able to, get value from this video. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if there's something you want to ask me. If there's something you want to say to me, just go ahead and leave a comment. If you want to understand more about how to grow on YouTube, then this playlist is definitely for you. Go ahead and click on that playlist, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.